this short video, I'm going to introduce you to robust t-tests. Let's assume you've already done t-tests for your variables, and the assumptions test return come back and they tell you that the assumptions of a normal t-test or the Welsh t-test or even the man with new test are violated. The next step would be to do a robust t-test. Jamovi makes that incredibly easy. You will have to install a module called Walrus, which I already have here, but if not, you go to module, click Jamovi library and install it. Once you've installed it, it's incredibly easy to run a robust t-test. So in this particular video, I want to check whether the extreme score of male and females is significantly different or not. So let's go to Walrus. You notice there's a whole bunch of options. Here we've got the robust independent sample t-test, which we're going to select. And then we're going to start by selecting our variables. So the extreme score is the continuous variable, which I'm going to put in the dependent variable. And gender is going to be our grouping variable. And voila, it gives you the outcome. So in this particular case, it's going to use Ewan's t-test. That essentially is a trimmed t-test, which cuts off the ends of your variable and runs a t-test on that middle bit. So you shouldn't change the default settings here. What you can also include is what the mean difference is, the confidence intervals, and the effect size. And again, the confidence intervals. So let's have a check. So this is the results of the test. And again, we have the p-value. So we notice there is a significant difference, the mean difference, as well the confidence intervals, effect size. So it's a sort of small to medium effect. And again, it gives you effect size intervals. Now, the other thing you can add, but there is some assumptions, is the M estimator. And that is good to use if your data has extreme outliers, which if you see this density plot here, you can see there is some extreme outliers. So again, that deals with those. So let's select that. And it again also tells you whether it is significant or not. In this case, it is significant. The one time you shouldn't use an M estimator is if your distribution, even if it has outliers, if this is what you would expect within the normal within the normal population, then the M estimator is not great to use. The final thing you can do using JJ stats plot is generate a plot just to display your outcome. What we're going to use is graphs and plots. We're going to add the extreme score and the dependent variable and the grouping into here. Into the grouping variable. And again, obviously here measurement type, it's going to be independent, but it is non-parametric. And what you end up getting is this plot that shows you the difference as well. So let me just pull it up. Here we are. And it's just a visual representation of the outcomes of the t-test. So that's how easy it is to run a robust t-test. So I hope this helps.